Today, let's try this question in Excel. The question states that if I put $100 into a bank at the end of every year for 5 years, how much is it worth in today's dollars with 5% interest rate? We have done previously manually about how to discount each cash flow to present and then add them up. So the answer will get you 432.9477. To do it in Excel, first you need to enter all those time index. We have 0 to represent present, and then 1 to represent year 1, and then just write down to see that 5 will represent the end of year 5. To do it in Excel, first you need to put 100 at the end of year 1, so it's 100 here. And then at the next year, the end of year 2, so that equals to the end of year 1 number, which is 100. And then you need to just write down to represent that that's all the level cash flow for all those 5 years. Next, we are going to type the interest rate here. So I will just type interest rate here. That would be just 5%. So next step, we are going to type the present value. So we will just type present value here. We decide to use the NPV function. That would equals to NPV. The rate is going to be the interest rate, so I would just put 5%, and we are going to choose the cash flow, which is from year 1 to year 5's cash flow, and then enter. You are going to get the same answer, which is 432.95. We calculated manually. The next method is to discount the cash flow individually and then add them up. So first, we are going to create a column called present value. We are going to discount the cash flow individually. First, we are going to put equal to the year cash flow divided by 1 plus the interest rate, which is 5%. Remember to press F4 to lock the interest rate, or in Mac, you're going to use Command T. So close the bracket to the power of the year index. That you're going to get the cash flow for the first year. Next, we are going to calculate the cash flow for the subsequent year. First, you need to just select this cell and then see the dot here. I will just drag down to find the present value for all those cells. To find the present value of the annuity, you just need to sum that up. So equals to sum of all the number we just calculated. We are going to get 432.95, the same answer as before. Another fast way to do it is to use internal function of Excel. So we just need to use equal minus PV. We use minus because they like to give you the negative number. So we use the minus to make it positive. The rate is just 5%. And per, of course, this is 5 years because we have 5 cash flow. And PMT, of course, is just 100, as you see here. And close bracket, you're going to get the same answer, 432.95. The Excel here verify the answer we got manually before, 432.95. That is correct. That's it for today. Thank you.